Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on Renault Laguna second generation 1.9 DCI. To remove the AC condenser, you need to remove that grill, that panel, and also we need to remove the front bumper. We start by removing the bolts that hold the undershield to the front bumper, and remove also the bolt that holds the front bumper to the wing. That's the bolt right there that holds the bumper to the wing. There's also another couple of bolts on the bottom of the bumper that holds the bumper to those panels. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. Now that we've removed all the bolts on this side, we can pull the bumper out and we can go to the other side and do the same thing. That's the bolt that holds the bumper to the wing on the other side. We need to remove that, and then we can pull out the bumper. Next we remove the bolts that hold the bumper on top. And once we removed all the bolts that hold the bumper, we can remove the bumper. That's it, the bumper is out. Now we can remove a couple of connectors. Next we can remove the AC condenser. First we need to remove the two bolts that hold the two AC lines to the condenser and remove the line. Before we remove the AC lines, first we need to remove the headlight so that it's not in our way. The headlight is held by 3 bolts, 2 on top, 1 on the side, and we can then take the headlight to the side. Now that the headlight is pushed to the side, we have access to the 2 bolts that hold the AC line. Next, we remove the electrical connector for the high pressure sensor. Next we need to remove the AC condenser. The AC condenser is held by a couple of clips. One is just there, we need a screwdriver to remove it. And then there is another one on the other side on the bottom. Yep, there's the clip out, and now we remove the clip on the other side, and then we can take out the AC condenser. And that's the AC condenser out. Now we can put on the new AC condenser. Don't forget to put oil in the new condenser. Thank you for